While most of the focus of this channel is on helping people become a better MC, we know there's a lot of people who want to start earning money from their MC work, either part-time as the ultimate side hustle or full-time as an exciting, lucrative and brilliant career. Now, that's why we set up our ExpertMC Inner Circle group. And I want to give you a peek of exactly what's inside. Hi, it's Timothy Hyde here from ExpertMC.com. If it's your first time to the channel, welcome, and why don't you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's start you off on this exciting journey to becoming a paid professional MC, either full-time or part-time. We're here to help you with some resources to move you in the right direction, gain some new skills, get some insider information on creating a career as an MC. So what exactly do you get in the Inner Circle? Our focus is on the business side of things: marketing, publicity, market niches, networking, industry awareness. So let me ask you a question. If you could have just one of these 5 benefits, which one do you think would help your career the most? 1, getting more traffic to your website. We have up to 50,000 visitors to our website monthly. It's a little bit lower at the moment with COVID, but it's moving back month by month. And many of these visitors are looking to hire an MC. Insider members get a link in our new Find an MC Global Event Host directory. And it's there, right there on the front page of the website. Now note, MCs are listed in the order that they join within their region. So you get an advantage if you consider joining us today. Now, even if you don't get any traffic from us, Google will recognize you as linked from our site. That you will get SEO advantage from that. It's the magic Google juice, and so you'll get more traffic. Number 2, what about boosting your Instagram engagement? A lot of busy MCs, professional MCs, have an Instagram account. Within the Insider group, we have a supporter group for Instagram. You will get more followers, you'll get more likes, and you'll get more comments on each of your posts. Now, Instagram rewards engagement, and that's what you get for being a supporter. Or what about exclusive content? The day you join, you will get our 50 niche areas for MCs and event hosts to work. It's a report. It was updated in 2020, and it's 20 pages long. And we list and go into detail about 50 market areas where you could work. And we give you hints and tips on how to actually get that work in that niche area. As I say, you get that instantly, and I guarantee that there are some niche areas in there that you have never thought about. And it's exclusive for members. You can't get that report anywhere else. Number 4, our Facebook group. We have a private Facebook group. You're not alone in the world. We share the same challenges and opportunities. As a member, you get to ask questions, share your wins and disasters, and become part of that community. Benefit number 5, you could publish a feature article on our website. We have a number of possibilities for that, and a number of our members have taken up that opportunity. You get promotion, plus you get a link to your own website from that. So any of those 5 things could change your career. You get all of them. But also, each and every month you remain a member, you will receive a bonus resource. In the first year, there are ebooks, reports, online trainings, and much more. Now, you will get in the first year, and I believe this is the correct order. First of all, our Speaker Bureau report. Most large corporate MC engagements get booked through this channel. Learn how a Speaker Bureau works and how to get involved with one or more. Number 2 is marketing and selling your professional services. This is brilliant. It's a guide from a guest expert on this subject. The author, who I know very well, travels around the world and lectures on this very topic. It's a brilliant source book of ideas and strategies, and that is included for members. I believe that's in month number 2. Month number 3, you get our publicity course. Now, this is a complete course. You get it all in 1 month, and you'll learn simple secrets for gaining publicity that you can leverage at every assignment to help build your career. And you can also use these techniques to help your clients gain publicity. And in doing so, you become a more valued event host. There's a workbook, you get cheat sheets included with that. It's a complete 6-part course on publicity. The next month is our memory training course. You get free access to this. It's an online training course. It's on the Udemy platform. I will send you a code and you can take that course anytime you like. It's highly rated on Udemy. It's great for remembering intros and run sheet orders and names and faces and things like that. Next, you get the ultimate simple productivity system, and it's my very favorite book on personal productivity. It actually changed the way I work and run my multiple businesses. It's not written by me, but we have permission to share it with you, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. Next, you get my own sales cheat sheet. I'm working here today on my own desk. The cheat sheet sits here next to me, and if I'm talking to somebody on the phone or I'm writing a proposal, writing an email, I can refer to that cheat sheet for some phrases and words and reminders that I can put in that conversation or put in that email. And it's fantastic. I share it with you. Our LinkedIn training. Now, it's no secret that I love LinkedIn. I estimate that I've earned over $1 million via the LinkedIn platform over the years, and I love using it. It's also free to use at the basic level. I'll show you all the tips and tricks and techniques that I've used and learnt over the years. Personal feedback. One of the months, I invite you to send me a piece of your publicity material, or I'll have a look at your website and I'll get feedback to you on that. So you get an expert pair of eyes looking at your material. Social proof is the next report. What we used to call testimonials, reviews and referrals. These things have been incredibly useful for my business, and we put a mini course together on social proof with some checklists and strategies for you to use. The next item, the Killer Filler Report. This is an expanded and updated report on what to do when you need to fill in time at an event, and it's filled with materials and concepts. And of course, other surprises. We're adding to the list every couple of weeks, and so you get one of those bonuses month by month. And once we get a target number of supporters, we're going to be investigating some other benefits for the group, Zoom calls, Q&A, etc. So what are the details? You're probably wondering how to do this and what does it cost? You can access the Insider Group today for less than a price of a cup of coffee a month for all of those benefits. The bonus training courses and manuals provided in the first year alone are worth over $250. The entry in our online directory could lead to multiple paid MC assignments in the coming years. So act now. The supporter group, the Inner Circle, is administered by Patreon. I'm sure you're aware of Patreon, and they are the global leader in the field. You can pay by PayPal or credit card, and you can quit anytime you like, and you can keep all the monthly resources that you've got up to that point. Now, note, it's currently July 2021. It's just gone the 4th of July. There are only 13 spots available at this point. The first group sold out quickly, and this one is about to be full as well. Now, I'll try and update in the comments section below. Once we get to full, we will shut it down for a little while, and then we'll open up slots again. But try and get in on this next little group if you can. If you're watching this video way in the future, the pricing and availability may well have changed. To join us, click the link in the description below or head to ExpertMC.com. I'll put the link up above. Or you can just leave a comment in the comments section below. and I will personally reply to you and give you a link. It would be really great to have you with us. I will see you on the inside.